which is not normally Pakistan's strong point, but we're looking to change that, and very, very pleased with the catching. Look, we're very happy with the way we've played the game and the intent of the way we've played the game. But it's about winning games of cricket for 240 million people back home who love cricket. And look, this morning is a very, very important session, of course. We've won plenty, but we'd love to win this one too.
Yeah, 83 more to go to win this one. All the best with that today.
Yeah, look, we're very confident of our skills, and we just had a bit of a chat last night about being brave to use those skills. It's not easy every time.
But Pakistan have got two specialists out there who plays closing fielders in and not bowl a ball like that. That's a freebie on the leg side for Babar Azam. He's been served with a dessert first half.
That is not the start that you want to have. Now, we've spoken throughout the test match about Ramesh Mendes.
Pace to the offside for that drive. This is just a little bit negative because he's not going to attempt playing at that line.
That's a better line. And I was just about to say, the ball that's going to get Babar Azam caught square on the leg side. We watched the pitch report a moment ago. 5 degrees turn at the end of the day yesterday. That's going to run away for 4. Second boundary of the first over. Pakistan off to just the start they would have liked.
Yeah, I mean, that's not part of the script. He's played that extremely well. There's a fielder that he had to avoid on that leg slip.
Much better line, much better length from Ramesh Mendes. 56 for 3.
It's a tough pitch to read for the umpires also. Day 5, the ball is spin accordingly. It's not going to be an easy gig for them as well.
That's well played. That one's just gone straight on with the arm. Sometimes to get the single.
So the idea is right. Look at the keeper moving across towards the leg side. So that could be an indicator for the umpire.
About Surya that Ramesh Mendes has in the first over. That's a good shot from Babar Azam. Would have been slightly full in length anyway, but coming down the wicket has made that into a full toss and an easy delivery to take advantage of.
It's going at a strike rate of over 100. Beautifully played. Made it into a full toss, and I think his
63 for 3. Fine. Oh, that's nicely played. Because it's not all that wide and it's not all that short. He's delayed. Oh, it's got to be careful. Now he knows the
typical golf pitch that we're seeing now on day 5. Variations and keeping the. It's a good line to bowl to Babar Azam because he doesn't sweep the ball much.
Unless you're going to pitch it up and tempt him to go through the offside. Oh, that's well bowled. That is exactly what you want the left-hander to be doing, trying to play the drive expansively out the rough.
And that is exactly what your keeper should be doing. 4 byes of a wicket-taking ball really got him in half. Beautifully bowled. Enough flight, guile, and then spinning it out. That's gone fine. Babar Azam will not run for that. I think it probably will give him a 4. A rare sweep shot from Babar Azam. And he would know another 5 or 6 overs and this ball will lose its hardness and batting will become just a shade easier.
He's played the sweep shot on the line. Looking at the leg side. Didn't get the connection that he wanted, but he knocked one off 44.
Oh, close, gone. Absolutely dead. So they've got the wicket. Babar Azam probably is not going to challenge. It missed his bat. It looked absolutely plumb.
Yeah, the only thing I thought was there might have been an inside edge. But Babar Azam walking down to his partner suggests that he knows it hasn't hit the back. Immediately. Good shot. Very good shot. We were talking about the confidence that he's exuded this morning. Here's another example.
Talk about wrong footing. A bowler. A wicket has gone down. South Shakil has experienced a couple of... His batting is concerned against spin. Now that's into the gap and beautifully timed. That's an issue with the offie. Just needs basic tight bowling in one spot, in that good length box that we've talked.
Gone after the off-spinner, Ramesh Mendes, in pursuit of runs, and that has worked well. Without any dramas.
You wanted ruffle Pakistan.
Oh, good delivery. I'm with you, Russell, on that point.
Player support role, so that's where he finds himself that he's got to go to his part-time.
Plus, Pakistani batters have played him well.
Spinners lengths today. Dilshan Madhushankar. The left-arm seamer. Nicely played by Shakil, getting